Welcome to the Hoist installation video of Superchute Hoist model SC610-cb. Read the installation manual before using this hoist. The hoist consists of about a dozen pieces. These can be brought up with a telescopic forklift, or an elevator, or on a rope, or through a hatch. Lay down a few sheets of plywood to protect the deck. Use fall protection to prevent men from falling off the edge. Build a three-sided base frame. The only tool required for this hoist are locking pins. Attach the rear weight beams. Shift the base to the roof edge. Place 6 weights in each counterweight carriage. In total, there should be 12 55-pound weights on the hoist. To secure the weights, pass the weight retaining rod through the weight handles and padlock the rod in place. Padlocks are supplied with the hoist. Attach the masts to the base. Attach the top rail to the masts. Pin the booms to the masts. Pin the outer crossbar to the ends of the masts. Using 2 men, raise the masts to the vertical position and pin in place. Insert a 2x4 wood stud between the top rail and the toe board. The 2x4 wood stud acts as a mid-rail and is a no-show requirement. Sturdy fall protection panels are optional. These clip onto the hoist frame. Cross braces lock these panels in place. Between the masts, a gate can be used. Counterweighted hoists must be tied back to an immovable object, such as a chimney stack. Tiebacks are designed to prevent a hoist from being pulled over the roof edge in the event of a major blockage. Tieback kits are available from Superchute. Pin the fish pole to the top rail. Clip the winch cable to the spreader bar. Every hoist is supplied with a documents canister. It features a clear viewing tube so users can see whether the manual is with the unit. Padlock the canister to the hoist so the manual is available at all times. Once the spreader bar has reached the ground, 2 men will begin attaching chutes. Using walkie-talkies, the men can communicate with the man on the roof deck. Using simple commands such as up, down, and stop, they build the chute. Once the chute arrives at the roof level, it is chained off to the frame. The fishpole cable is slackened, which transfers all the load to the boom chains. The spreader bar hooks are unclipped, and the spreader bar itself is removed. The fishpole is removed, and the gate is opened or closed as needed. Thank you for viewing this video.